Who is the Gestor in Negotiorum Gestio? Have you ever wondered what happens when someone steps in to manage another person's affairs without permission? In ancient Roman law, this situation is addressed through a concept known as Negotiorum Gestio. The individual who takes on this role is called the Gestor. So, who exactly is the Gestor in Negotiorum Gestio? Let's break it down. The Gestor is a person who voluntarily manages the affairs of another individual, known as the dominus negotii, without having received any formal authorization to do so. This often occurs out of concern, friendship, or necessity. The Gestor acts with the belief that the owner would approve of their actions if they were aware of the situation. One key aspect of the Gestor's role is that they must handle the management of affairs with care and diligence, similar to how they would manage their own matters. This means that they are expected to act responsibly and make decisions that protect the interests of the owner. When a Gestor takes on this responsibility, they are obliged to complete the tasks they have undertaken. They must also provide an account of their actions and any benefits gained from managing the affairs. If the Gestor acts negligently or intentionally causes harm, they can be held liable for any losses incurred. However, if they act reasonably and in good faith, they are generally protected from liability. Additionally, the Gestor has the right to be reimbursed for necessary expenses incurred while managing the owner's affairs. This means that if the Gestor spends money to protect or improve the property, they can seek compensation from the owner. On the flip side, the owner must accept the results of the Gestor's management. They are also required to compensate the Gestor for expenses, but if the Gestor acted solely out of self-interest or against the owner's explicit instructions, the owner is not bound to compensate them. This legal concept highlights the mutual rights and duties that arise even without a formal agreement. The role of the Gestor was especially important in ancient Rome when communication could be slow, and urgent management of someone's property or business was necessary during their absence or incapacity. In practical terms, a Gestor might handle financial transactions, protect property from damage, or settle urgent matters to prevent losses. This role reflects a sense of responsibility and care for another's affairs, emphasizing the importance of good faith in relationships. The concept of Negotiorum Gestio and the role of the Gestor laid the groundwork for similar legal doctrines in modern civil law systems. Understanding this relationship helps us appreciate how ancient Roman governance and administration influenced legal practices that continue to exist today.